In this video, I'll show you how I took this awesome 3D printed wolf I found online and transformed it into a shiny copper masterpiece using electroplating. First, I'll apply a layer of conductive paint to make the plastic surface ready for electroplating. Coat the entire print with a conductive paint, making sure to cover every surface evenly so the copper will bond smoothly. Once it's fully dried, I'll hook it up to a power supply and submerge it in a copper sulfate bath. Adjust the current and amp. After 5 hours, the piece is ready. After the copper bonds to the wolf, I'll rinse it in water to remove any leftover copper solution. Gives the wolf an amazing metallic shine, transforming it from a basic 3D print into a polished copper masterpiece.